13 fiber-rich foods for constipation. Feeling bloated, sluggish, or like your digestive system just won't cooperate? Trust me, we've all been there. But don't worry, nature has a solution. Hey everyone, if you're struggling with constipation, you are not alone. Millions of people deal with it, and one of the best ways to get things moving again is through fiber-rich foods. But not just any fiber, you need the right kind. Approximately 14% of people experience chronic constipation at some point in time. Symptoms include infrequent bowel movements, straining, hard stools, incomplete evacuation, feeling blocked, or inability to pass stool. Causes include dehydration, poor diet, medications, illness, nervous system disorders, or mental issues. In today's video, I'll be sharing 13 of the best high-fiber foods that can help relieve constipation naturally, keep your gut happy, and get you feeling lighter and more energized. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to stay regular. Let's dive in. 1. Chia seeds. First up, we have chia seeds. Tiny but mighty. These little seeds are packed with soluble fiber, meaning they absorb water and form a gel-like consistency in your gut. This helps soften stool and make it easier to pass. Serving tip: add them to smoothies, yogurt, or soak them in water to make chia pudding. 2. Flaxseeds. Next, we have flaxseeds, which offer the best of both worlds, soluble and insoluble fiber. This means they not only soften stool, but also help add bulk, keeping things moving smoothly. Serving tip: sprinkle ground flax seeds over oatmeal, salads, or mix them into baked goods for an easy fiber boost. 3. Oats. Oats are another amazing source of soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which helps retain water in your digestive system for softer, more manageable stool. Plus, they're great for heart health. Serving tip: try overnight oats or a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with berries for a double dose of fiber. 4. Lentils. Lentils are one of the best plant-based fiber sources, making them a fantastic choice for gut health. Plus, they're packed with protein, which makes them extra satisfying. Serving tip: add lentils to soups, stews, or even salads for an easy fiber boost. 5. Black beans. Speaking of legumes, black beans are fiber powerhouses. Not only do they help regulate digestion, but they also provide gut-friendly prebiotics, which support healthy gut bacteria. Serving tip: use them in black bean salads, tacos, or even blend them into dips like hummus. 6. Apples with the skin. An apple a day might just keep constipation away. Apples contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps regulate digestion. Just make sure to eat the skin where most of the fiber is found. Serving tip: enjoy apples as a quick snack or dip slices into peanut butter for a tasty, fiber-packed treat. 7. Pears. Pears are even higher in fiber than apples and contain natural sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that acts as a mild, natural laxative. Plus, they help keep you hydrated. Serving tip: eat them fresh, add them to smoothies, or toss them into a salad. 8. Prunes. You've probably heard that prunes are great for constipation, and it's true. They're packed with fiber and sorbitol, which draws water into the intestines and helps with bowel movements. Serving tip: eat a few daily, blend them into a smoothie, or mix them into oatmeal. 9. Berries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries. Berries aren't just delicious, they're fiber superstars. Raspberries and blackberries contain up to 8 grams of fiber per cup and are also rich in antioxidants, which support gut health. Serving tip: add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or snack on them fresh. 10. Popcorn, air-popped. Believe it or not, air-popped popcorn is a fantastic source of fiber. It's a low-calorie, whole-grain snack that can help add bulk to your stool and promote digestion. Serving tip: skip the butter and instead sprinkle with sea salt, cinnamon, or nutritional yeast for a healthy twist. 11. Broccoli. This cruciferous veggie is rich in fiber and prebiotics, making it great for gut health. Plus, it helps promote a diverse and healthy gut microbiome. Serving tip: roast broccoli with olive oil and garlic, toss it into stir-fries, or steam it as a side dish. 12. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, making them one of the best foods for digestion. They help soften stool while also adding bulk to prevent constipation. Serving tip: bake them whole, mash them up, or make homemade sweet potato fries. 13. Almonds. Last but not least, almonds. These crunchy nuts are packed with fiber and healthy fats, both of which support smooth digestion. Serving tip: snack on a handful of almonds, add them to oatmeal, or enjoy almond butter on whole grain toast. Now that you have a solid list of fiber-rich foods to add to your diet, there's one more key ingredient to making fiber work effectively: water. Hydration is essential when increasing your fiber intake. Fiber works by absorbing water, which softens stool and makes it easier to pass. But if you're not drinking enough water, fiber can have the opposite effect, making stool dry and harder to move through your system. So aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and even more if you're increasing your fiber intake. Another important factor: movement. Sitting for long periods can slow digestion, leading to bloating and constipation. Regular exercise, even something as simple as a 10 to 15-minute walk after meals, can help keep things moving. Activities like yoga, jogging, or even light stretching can stimulate digestion and prevent sluggish bowels. So remember, fiber, water, and movement go hand in hand for a happy gut. And that's it for today. Which of these fiber-rich foods do you already eat? Or are there any new ones you're excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more health tips. Your support helps the channel grow and brings more valuable content your way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.